Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are going to take a look at a couple of examples for chapter 1. So the first example, given pejabat HEP of UiTM Melaka wants to find out the background and family income of the students in UiTM Melaka. They have prepared written questionnaires to distribute to the students. The students are divided into programs which they attend. The students are then selected randomly from each program. Number of samples chosen from each program is proportional to the number of students in the program. So, dia bagi awak a question. Where dalam soalan ini, dia kata pejabat HEP, UiTM nak find out about background and family income of the students in UiTM Melaka. They prepare questionnaire to distribute to the students, and dia juga bagi tahu students are divided into programs. And dia kata student are randomly selected from each program. So untuk chapter 1 ni sebenarnya most of the question punya jawapan, most of the answer, okay, yang soalan tanya ada di dalam soalan tu sendiri. Okay. So, saya highlightkan beberapa benda. Okay, sebelum kita tengok soalan pun sebenarnya, bila dia kata pejabat HEP wants to find out the background and family income. Okay, ini sebenarnya adalah your variables. Variables ini adalah characteristic under study. So, study yang UiTM buat ni, HEP buat ni, nak tengok background student dengan family income student. So, students in UiTM Melaka ni pula is actually your population. They prepare questionnaire to distribute. So, this is actually data collection method. The students are divided into programs. Okay. So, sampling technique. Sampling technique ada dua je yang perlu divide. Sama ada stratified sampling atau cluster sampling. So, macam nak identify lagi, tengok di sini dia kata randomly selected from each program. Population, divide into programs, pilih sampel daripada setiap program. Stratified. So, kalau soalan tanya, state the sampling technique used. Stratified sampling. Kenapa? Student were divided according to programs. Random sample is selected from each program. One advantage of this method. So, dia suka tanya advantage stratified sampling. So, bila pakai stratified sampling, dia will include all important subpopulation. In this case, subpopulation tu adalah program. So, bila you pakai stratified sampling, you akan pilih sampel daripada setiap program. So, nanti sampel awak akan ada wakil daripada setiap program. Kenapa ini advantage? Sebab sampel should represent your population. So, kalau population itu ada 10 programs, kalau pakai stratified sampling, sampel awak akan datang daripada kesemua 10 program. So, your sample will represent the whole population. Now, soalan C dia kata, the total number of student in UiTM adalah 5,000 orang. Capital N 5,000. And the required number of sample is 500. So, daripada jumlah 5,000 student tu, dia nak pilih 500 orang. So, how many sampling unit ataupun how many respondent from diploma in business studies program if the total number of student in the program is 600. So, bila pakai stratified sampling, kita nak proportionate. Kalau kumpulan itu besar, wakilnya ramai. Kumpulan itu kecil, wakilnya sedikit. So, dia kata daripada diploma of business study ni, okay, dia kata ada 600 orang. So ini adalah subpopulation dalam bisnes. So berapa ramai yang dipatut pilih? So number of sample daripada business. Program sini yang saya tengah kira ni adalah business studies. Dalam program tu ada 600 orang. The whole population 5,000. So ratio dia 600 bahagi 5,000. Darab dengan 500. 500 ini adalah bilangan sampel yang awak nak. So awak perlu pilih, okay, randomly select 60 students from diploma in business study. Give one advantage of the data collection method used in the study. So data collection method, how dia collect data. Tadi dia pakai questionnaire. So questionnaire will be cheaper than personal interview. Now saya just nak tambah beberapa perkara. Kalau soalan tanya awak, what is your population? Kalaulah dia tanya, apa population awak dalam soalan ni? Bila jawab, tulis all students in UiTM Melaka. Kalau dia tanya, what is your sample? Sampel you adalah 500 student in UiTM Melaka. Okay, bila bagi jawapan, kena bagi jawapan dengan lengkap. Kalau dia tanya awak, what is your variable? Variable awak will be student background and also student family income. This is another example for chapter 1. A researcher is conducting a simple survey to study the demographic characteristic of a student at public university. There are about 10,000 students at the university and a sample of 2,000 will be chosen as respondent. So, the researcher nak conduct study. Pasal apa? Demographic. Berapa bilangan student dalam tu? Ada 10,000 student at the university. 10,000 ini adalah your population, number of element in the population, and sample awak nak 2,000. So, dia tanya awak, what is your population and sampling frame? Bila dia tanya population, awak mesti jawab all. And since kita tahu bilangan dia, saya letak all 10,000 student. 10,000 student tu dekat mana? In that particular public university. Bila soalan tanya, pastikan you jawab penuh, spesifik. Jangan cakap student saja. Student, berapa ramai student? Semua student. Dekat mana? Kalau dia kata dekat UiTM, tulis UiTM. Melaka, Melaka. Kalau dia kata Jasin, you must write down Jasin. It must be a specific answer. Sampling frame pula apa? Sampling frame is a list of all. Of all apa? Of all element in the population. So, kita salin balik jawapan population tadi. A list of all, you boleh tambah 10,000 student in that particular public university. And bagilah contoh. Okay. A list of all 10,000 student ni boleh jadi nama, boleh jadi ID number, addresses and etc. Sebab soalan tak bagi tahu apa yang dia ada, so saya bagi example yang possible. Kalau soalan ada mention, dia kata dia ada student names, then your answer should be a list of all 10,000 students' name. Okay? Define the type of variable and the scale of measurement for each of the following demographic characteristic. Dia tanya you type of variable, dia tanya you scale. Type ada dua, kualitatif atau kuantitatif. Kuantitatif boleh jadi discrete, boleh jadi continuous. Be specific. Scale of measurement ada 4, nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. So race. Race ni categorical data, qualitative variable. You tak boleh nak rank, nak susun race tu daripada dalam tertib menaik atau menurun. So kalau tak boleh susun, tak boleh rank, dia jadi nominal scale. Academic program. Okay. So programs juga adalah categorical data. That's why dia qualitative variable. You juga tak boleh nak rank academic program. Mana dulu, mana kemudian. Tak boleh. That's why dia nominal scale. Kalau you still ingat lagi, scale of measurement ni ada nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Nominal, ordinal, qualitative. Interval, ratio, quantitative. So, next one, CGPA. Okay, CGPA is continuous quantitative variable sebab dia boleh jadi 3.0, dia boleh jadi 4, dia boleh jadi in between 3.1, 3.11. Okay, that's why dia continuous. And CGPA tak ada true zero value. Maksudnya, zero dekat CGPA tu bukan bermaksud you tak ada CGPA. That's why dia interval. Next one, number of academic award received. Berapa banyak academic award yang you dah dapat? You dapat 1 academic award, 2 academic award. Dia mesti nombor bulat. So, dia discrete quantitative. Kenapa ratio? Because number of academic award received, dia ada true zero value. Bermaksud, kalau you kata you dapat 0 academic awards, bermaksud you tak pernah dapat award. Tak ada. Bila 0 bermaksud tak ada, dan dia adalah ratio. Next, dia tanya, state one possible probability sampling technique to choose 2,000 students if the researcher managed to obtain all student names from the university. Give one advantage of this technique. Now, since dia simply kata ada 10,000 students, dia tak kata student ni dibahagikan kepada program ke, kepada diploma degree ke. So, kita anggap student sini homogeneous. Dia mempunyai karakteristik yang sama. So, bila homogeneous, awak boleh suggest pakai simple random sampling, atau you boleh suggest pakai systematic sampling. Dua-dua pun diterima. Okay? Boleh suggest as SRS, boleh suggest systematic sampling. Apa advantage kalau pakai SRS? Result from the survey can be projected on the population. And advantage ini awak boleh pakai untuk any random sampling. Awak pakai advantage ni untuk SRS boleh, systematic boleh, stratified sampling pun boleh, cluster sampling pun boleh. So, this advantage is applicable untuk semua sampling teknik yang random. Okay? Sorry, untuk random sampling teknik. Now, dia minta awak explain how to select the sample using systematic sampling, using the sampling technique stated in C. Since saya kata SRS, so saya explain SRS. Assign number to every student in the population. Write the number on a small slip of paper. Letak dalam box. Shuffle ataupun mix thoroughly. Then select 2,000 papers. And those selected will be your sample. Now, what if, okay, you suggest pakai systematic? Okay. Kalau you suggest systematic, cara nak conduct dia, pertama, you kena tahu apa N awak 10,000, small n 2,000, Q awak adalah 10,000 bahagi 2,000, which is 5. Okay. Lepas tu buat apa? Divide into 2,000 groups. Each group 5 student. Okay, 5 ni K. Randomly select one dari first group. Bagi example. Okay, sebab satu group ada 5 orang. So, saya bagi example orang yang ketiga. Saya pilih orang yang ketiga. Okay. So, kalau first group orang yang ketiga, saya sambung kat tepi ni. Kalau sampel pertama, orang yang ketiga, siapa akan jadi sampel yang kedua? Sebab K awak 5, sampel kedua adalah 3 tambah 5. Orang yang ke-8. Siapa sampel ketiga? Tambah lagi 5. 13, 18 dan seterusnya. You tambah 5, 5, 5, 5. Sampailah you akan ada a total of N sama dengan 2,000. Okay. So, that's all. I want you to try buat awak punya tutorial. And nanti saya akan bagi jawapan juga for your tutorial. So, thank you everyone.